Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, as you can see, we have another unbagging. I started to do this video and the video quit. So all I got was it opened. So let's see what and who it is from. Well, we have cross stitch kits. Whoops. All right. This is from VIPCrossStitch, and it will be in two parts. The next part will be next Thursday. So let's see what we have for this week. All right, we got some big, huge kits. So this one it was $15.33. So let's take a look at it. All right, let me turn it over so you can see the picture. That is, if I can get it unfolded here. It's a great big huge piece. Man, I'm telling you. They love to fold it right across that picture. But isn't that just stunning? Just absolutely stunning. Just gorgeous. Oh, I love the teals. I love the colors. I love everything about this. It has lots and lots of things going on, so we'll see how much it, shows up. And on this paper, it has the product number, how big it is. It is 191 by 286. It has the cross stitch instructions on the bottom, which is nice if you've never done cross stitch. This has 46 colors, and this is kind of smeary, this paper pattern, so we'll see what the canvas looks like. Normally this paper pattern will match your canvas, so we'll see what it all looks like together. This has 310 black, and 823 is a dark blue. Has some 939. No, 3371. So just basically blues and greens. So yeah, this is kind of a smeary pattern. I don't know if they closed it before it was dry or whatever, but you can kind of, I'll try to get it there, hang on. There's just places, not that you couldn't read through the lines, but it might be a little difficult. Yeah. So, not happy about that. And it might just have been a fluke, but you can see there's blotches of ink over here and kind of a shadow of what's over there. I don't know. Not too good. But we'll see what the pattern looks like. Let's take a look at the threads. Does have a toolkit, 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and a needle threader, and we have the tiger today. He's so cool. And the threads are all packaged up very nicely. Does have the product number, and it tells you how big it is right here. There's a lot of colors here. Holy cow. So we have a skein of 310 black, 3750, which is kind of a navy blue. We have a skein of 939 and a skein of 500, which is kind of a dark green. I don't know if you can kind of tell what color green it is. And oops, didn't want to miss this one. And we have 762, which is kind of a gray, a pale gray. Let's take a look at the rest of the colors. This is a heavy thing of threads. Holy cow. Let me give it a shake here so everything's where it needs to be. But it's got 46 colors, so there should be some really good definition in this. Lots of teals in various shades. You have a olive green, and is that 3865? Or 3863, you know, they always change that up on me. Oh, come on. 3865. Okay, good. That's what I thought. So not too much of it. Very nice. And over here we have more teals, kind of a cream colored, medium, kind of a grayish purple, and a coral. There's one of your skeins, and there's your 310 skein. Very nice indeed. Just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful colors. Gorgeous. And that is a lot of thread. We'll see what we got going here. Let's take a look at this canvas. The canvas is serged all the way around. Get the little fuzzies off the corner. Hopefully the canvas isn't smeared. I'll be pretty upset if it is. It does have the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. I'm just going to open it halfway for this time. Oh yeah, very nice. Very easy to read. Symbols are just lovely. Now the stitching does go through the DMC numbers a little bit, but the symbols are nice and bright and clear. Let me flip it over. Let's look at this side. You have rivers of color. I don't see a whole lot of confettied areas, if I could just talk today. But this is one big canvas. One big canvas. But it is such a beautiful picture. Yeah, there's a little bit of confetti when you get into like the face or down to a flower or something, you know. But that only means that it'll be well defined. This is 72 centimeters, well, 71 and a half, which is 18 and a half. And it is 49 and a half centimeters, or 19 and a half. Actual picture size is 17 and a half, or 44 and a half centimeters by 25 and a half, or 65 and a half centimeters. So very nice size. The canvas is very well printed. I don't see any smears. You know, maybe if I look, but I'm seeing it. It looks crystal clean compared to the compared to the paper pattern here. And it's not like this is not the key isn't smeared. It's parts of the canvas, or the paper pattern, so you can at least see the DMC numbers if you want to. All right, let's take a look at the next one. Very nice, very nice. Huge ginormous. All right, are you ready? Get that big old plastic out of the way. And you know, I think I might have this cat. I'm not sure. It has a product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. Tells you how to start and finish as well. Paper pattern should match the canvas. I'm not sure. And this has 40 colors as well. We have no 310. We have 550 purple. We have 823 and 820, which are both blues, dark blues that is. A little bit of 939, no 3865 or 3371. But this pattern is very nice, very well done. Yep, just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I don't know, maybe I have gotten this before. I cannot remember. It looked different, you know, but we'll see. We'll see. I have to go and look and make sure. Okay, let's look at the colors. Oh, this one was 1671, and it's 75 by 50. Does come with a toolkit, 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader, and we have a plum blossom. And threads all come packaged up. Product number here and how big it is here. And it has lots of threads, lots of blues. Get rid of that for right now. So we have 939, 939, 939, 939. That's 823. This is probably 820. 820. It's kind of a royal blue. This is kind of a navy blue. And this is a dark blue. So you have 4 skeins of that dark blue. And you have a skein of 931 and 190. Yeah, 191. So lots of threads. Let me get it all shook it out. So lovely, beautiful colors. Look at that blue. It's like a peacock blue. Tans and browns. And they may be using this cream color for the white, you know, the lighter parts. But just gorgeous. Look at that bright green. Oh my goodness. And some plum. And over here you have your 550 purple where my thumb is. And that pale purple. Some more blues. You have golds. No distinct orange. Maybe that would be like a bittersweet orange, but no oranges orange per se. So they're using the golds and that yellow orange. Is that what that will color is? Yellow orange. We'll put all them threads right there. Alright, put that up there. That is a glob of thread. And the pattern, the canvas will match your paper pattern. It is serged, come here, serged all the way around. Very nice. Very big. Okay, so it does have the product number, how big it is, and how many squares per square. I'm going to open it halfway. They're both about the same size, ain't they? Very nice key. The stitching does not go into the DMC numbers over here. Very well printed. Very, very nice. Very, very nice. Big areas. I see a little bit of confetti, but it's just kind of sprinkled here and there, and then maybe when you get into more definition into the fur, it will be, you know, more confetti, but not a whole lot. Less, way less than I thought there would be. Okay, let's measure this. It is 76 centimeters or 30 inches that way. This way it is approximately 20 inches or 51 centimeters. Actual picture is 17 inches or 43 centimeters that way. And 69.5 centimeters this way, or a little over 27.25 inches. So it's fair size, and there's lots of rivers of color in this, so very happy about that. You know, sometimes you just get tired of changing thread. What can I say? But nice, well I was trying to pick it up. Well printed, very easy to see, just lovely. Now VIP has only like cross stitch. There is no diamond painting. I don't know if they have, I don't think they have paint by number. They may, but I know they do not have diamond painting. They have counted and stamped cross stitch. They have do-it-yourself kits as well. They do custom for the cross stitch, and they have lots and lots of accessories. There's always a lot to choose from, and they do have free shipping on orders over $50. If they have any specials going on, I will put them in the description box below. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy, and thank you VIP for these beautiful, beautiful kids. Bye-bye.